Okay, guys, this is another important questions, and welcome back on my channel. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. And now, today the topic of discussion again related to the topic of inequality, which we have started in previous lecture series. Okay, so guys, एक picture given है, and that is again the May June 2019 paper, and variant is double two. And questions it was connected with our previous topic, that was question number 3 which we have solved in previous lecture. ये को टॉपिक जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर अगेन 3 पॉइंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से है, इसका पार्ट बी है नाउ, एंड यू हैव द पार्ट सी एज वेल. ओके, तो पार्ट सी को भी हम सॉल्व करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दैट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वेट फॉर जस्ट अ मिनट. Okay, just I am writing the second part of this question. The part is find the three inequalities which define the region shaded in the diagram, which define the region shaded in the diagram. Okay, what about part C? Part C is that solve inequality, solve minus 12 less than equal to 4 into m minus 2 less than 10. Okay, you have to solve this inequality, right? So there are three parts of this question. We have solved one part, we have already solved in previous lecture. Just a minute. Okay, it's better now. Yeah, so guys, now we start question number 3b. yes, देखो अब what is the requirement. वो ये कह रहा है कि भाई ये एक shaded region है. According to that shaded region you have to define three inequalities. अब क्या हो सकती है, देखो ये shaded region it is bounded with respect to x and y. Okay, जब when we move along the x axis, what does it mean? इसका मतलब है value of y 0 है. When we move along the y axis, इसका मतलब है value of x 0 है. Okay, अच्छा, अब जरा इस रीजन के अंदर देखो, इसमें मैं एक चीज ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूं जो मुझे नजर आ रही है कि भाई अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल when the value of x is 1 तो value of y is half. देखो आधा है. When the value of x is 2 the value of y is 1 यानी half है. Okay, when the value of x is 3 the value of y is 1.5, and when the value of x is 4 the value of y is 2. So it means x is twice of y, यानी 2 टाइम ग्रेटर है y से. तो एक तो कंडीशन मुझे ये नजर आ रही है कि भाई आई कैन राइट, अच्छा मैं ये लिख सकता हूं कि अगर इफ आई एम ऑन दैट पोजीशन, यहां पे हूं, तो क्या हो रहा है, वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 4, वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 2. तो ये तमाम वैल्यूज आ रही हैं, तो इसका मतलब है मैं ये लिख सकता हूं द वैल्यू ऑफ y लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 over 2x. ओके, वो सेटिस्फाई करेगा. देख लो भाई यहां पे एक इनइक्वालिटी नंबर 1, y लेस देन इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ x. पुट कर देख लो बच्चों, क्या हो रहा है भाई, y की वैल्यू when the value of x is 4, value of y is 2, less than equal to, yes, when the value of x is 1, value of y is 1 over 2 half, right? So one equality is going to be satisfied here. What is the another inequality? Another inequality कि भाई x y की तमाम वैल्यूज क्या है इस शेडेड रीजन के अंदर काउंट करनी है, दे आर इक्वल टू एंड ग्रेटर देन 0। एक तो इनइक्वालिटी ये हो गई कि ये तमाम वैल्यूज जो है y की वो x से सॉरी 0 से बराबर है या 0 के से बड़ी है, क्योंकि ओरिजिन को भी टच कर रहा है, तो इट इज इक्वल टू 0 एज वेल। सो द सेकंड इनइक्वालिटी इज हियर y greater than equal to 0. And what about the third inequality? Third inequality is related to the x. X is not beyond the 4. Value of x is, maximum value of x is 4. तो क्या होगा, value of x is what? Less than equal to 4, or you can write it, it is greater than equal to 0. So now third inequality is 0 and 4. So now I can write this one, x less than equal to 4 and greater than equal to 0. So these are three inequality. It is our answer. अब now the second C part of question number 3 is solve this inequality. It is very basic question. You can do yourself, but I am solving here. Part C. Minus 12 less than equal to 4 into m minus 2 less than 10. Yes. Okay guys, you have to solve. What is the criteria to solve? बता चुका हूं, बहुत सिंपल वे, जस्ट डिवाइड इन टू पार्ट ऑफ दैट इनइक्वालिटी एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n। सॉल्व का मतलब ये अननोन की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, व्हिच इज अननोन हियर, द अननोन इज m। तो नाउ फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ m इज हियर, so minus 12 less than 4 into m minus 2, so 4 into m minus 2, 10. Just try to solve it. Just move is here. So minus 12 over 4 less than equal to m minus 2. Now move this value is so cancel kar do. 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. So now you will have minus 3 less than equal to m minus 2. Move 2 is here. So minus 3 and it's become plus 2 less than equal to m. So now the answer is minus 1. So m is this one. So yani m greater than equal to minus 1. It is your first one answer. Then the second answer is that. Now move this 10. 4 is here. So m minus 2 less than 10 over 4. So now you cannot cancel completely this one. So now 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10. It is 5 over 2. Clear? So now your answer is, okay, 5 over 2 is what? 2.5. Yes. So m minus 2 less than equal to 2.5. Move is this value. So m less than equal to 2.5 plus 2. So now this value is m is 4.5. So now it is your required answer. So we can write this inequality in the form of inequality is what? So minus 1 greater than equal to m less than equal to 4.5. So this is your answer of question part C. Okay guys, now we have completed our question number 3 from the past paper.